Now this one had a cracked, it has a few other cracks too, which I, on the white, and I just put a little silicone on those. But those were in areas that were very small because it was bent. It wasn't put in a box a good way. It was kind of crushed in, I think. And shipping probably compounded the problem. So this one was fractured. I'd found the little piece that was missing. But when I started the silicone, it just was so many fractures, it wouldn't stay and it came apart and ended up with a pile of pieces of glass. So what I'm doing is, I've watched a couple of the videos, so I've removed the glass pieces and I'm now, with a utility knife, taking off the edge. I'm going to remove the edge on these three sides, and then I'm going to cut my piece of glass and try to slide it down in and then over. And hopefully that'll, and then I can solder it in place. I don't have the exact glass, but I do have some similar glass. So it should look really good. And the rest of it, I did carefully bend it back into a circular shape. And one of the pieces of glass that was out, it ended up popping it back in some. So it's going to look beautiful, but shipping is really, really hard on these items.